Usapang Kooperatiba tayo kasama si Kuya Jay. Dito lang sa Mang People TV.
Magandang araw mga ka-people, isang panibagong araw na naman ang dumating kung saan ating tatalakayin at tutuklasin ang mga bagong kaalaman patungkol sa ating kooperatiba. Dito sa Mang People TV, ito ang Usapang Kooperatiba. Ang bawat opisyal ng ating kooperatiba ay may itinalagang komite na nagsisilbing saklaw ng kanilang responsibilidad. Ang komite na ito ay gumagawa lamang ng paunang pagsusuri na kinakailangan upang magawa ang mga pagpapasya. Kaya naman, ating inimbitahan ang tagapamahala ng nagdadala ng Laws, Internal Affairs, and Grievance Management Committee. For today's episode, mga ka-people, let us all welcome our gorgeous and active guest for today, our very own Board of Director, Ma'am Miriam Saulo. Welcome to Usapang Kooperatiba, Ma'am Miriam. Kumusta?
Hello, Sir Jacob. How are you? Thank you. I'm fine.
Murag, Ma'am, you look beautiful
Ay,
today.
sus. Murag na pula na ko. Thank you.
Murag na kay, parang kamukha mo yung artista.
Marami akong kamukha.
Maraming kamukha. Ma'am, kumusta? How's your travel here? Wala bang traffic?
Yes, I was very thankful. Although I was not able to book for my...
Oh, yun nga.
for
Oh, sabi ni
people here.
Mira.
But Mira texted me, Ma'am, is your guesting here today in Mandawi? Yes, Mira, I'm so sorry. I was not able to book for
Ako yung tumawag kay Mira.
I just have to take the taxi. Sa no, Ma'am, ay pakuha na lang kita kay Mikey. So I'm very thankful.
Kaya pala parang natatagalan. Alright guys, si Ma'am Miriam, I've been in Talamban for many years. Ang branch na hinahandle po ni Ma'am Miriam Saulo is yung branch kung saan din ako nagtatagal sa co-op. Yan, si Ma'am Miriam. Pangatlong board of directors si Ma'am Miriam na siyang kasama ko doon sa Talamban. And Ma'am Miriam, congratulations pala sa achievement natin sa Talamban. Natap na naman siya last month.
Praise the Lord.
Amen. To God be the glory.
Yes.
Alright. So, si Ma'am Miriam, guys, mga ka-people, siya po yung nag-handle, one of our BOD, at siya po yung nag-handle ng Laws, Internal Affairs, and Grievance Management Committee. So, FYI, for your information, mga ka-peoples, we have 9 Board of Directors dito po sa ating kooperatiba, and each BOD, meron po silang corresponding committee or portfolio na hinahandle for us na mapanatili po yung operation ng ating Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative para ma-strengthen pa. So marami talagang mga board na nakatutok sa atin para ma-improve pa yung mga products and services natin dito sa ating kooperatiba. But before that, Ma'am Miriam, I just want to ask na, can you share something, Ma'am Miriam, yung nag-umpisa kayo sa People's Co-op, and siguro hindi naman kayo biglaan naging opisyalis ng cooperative, di ba? Once you become a member of People's Co-op, now can you share something, ma'am, the history or story of how you became a member of Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative?
Sir Jacob, I became a member of Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative Talamban branch way back July 7, 2003. And
2003?
Yes, and that Talamban branch was only 9 months old in operation. So, kumbaga, I can say I'm one of the pioneer members.
Sa Talamban.
Talamban branch.
So, ilang taon na kayo sa Talamban? Parang
So,
18?
18 years.
No, 18 years.
Yes.
Since yung anniversary ng Talamban, 2000, parang 2000, start siya 2002.
2002.
Oo. So,
Yes.
19 years na siya, no? This year.
On August 6, we'll be celebrating 19th year anniversary of Talamban branch.
Yan. So, ikaw ay 18 years na sa Coop. Grabe. Ang tanda-tanda na ni Ma'am Miriam sa Coop. 18 years na.
Yes, one of the
So,
pioneers.
ilang taon na kayo, Ma'am Miriam?
Secret.
Oh.
Secret.
You look young.
Secret.
Parang 30s pa yung mukha ni Ma'am Miriam Saulo. So, okay, 18 years na po kayo sa Talamban, nag-attend kayo ng PMES orientation. So, ano yung nagagandahan ninyo? Or, ma'am, may I ask, kasi sabi nila noon na yung orientation po natin sa People's Co-op, parang 3 araw yun. Yung iba, 5 araw daw yung orientation ng People's Co-op before. Yung nag-attend kayo, one day or isang
it was
oras?
only 1 day.
One day.
Maybe you're talking about the PMES facilitator. They have 3 days
3 days yun, oh.
before you can be a
Member.
PMES facilitator.
Before talaga yung PME is matagal daw.
On my time, I only attended evening. That was conducted evening.
Kasi sabi nila yung PMES ng People's Co-op before, maabot daw ng 3 days ng mga orientation. Tapos naging 1 day na lang. Tapos naging 3 hours. Tapos naging 1 hour na lang.
On my part, hindi
So,
ko
isang araw.
naranasan yung 3 days.
So isang araw na lang yung sa inyo.
Not on hours only.
Oh, hours.
Yes. We started 6 p.m.
Tapos
Usually, that time, the PMS will start at 6 p.m. up.
After the office.
After
the
office,
operation. Para
yes.
hindi madisturbo
Yes.
yung mga
Because
tao.
the facilitator was the branch manager.
So ano yung
at that
nagagandahan
time.
mo sa mga programa before? Bakit kayo sumali?
At that time, we have only the credit services
Mm.
ng cooperative, diba? So, laking tulong talaga ang People's Co-op sa akin financially.
So yun sa
Not
inyo
only me,
for
yes.
additional capital.
Yes, at that time, so I was nagtitinda ako katabi ng People's Co-op na office.
Yan.
Precisely, naging member ako doon. I was invited by the collector. So, yes, that is main reason nga I became a member. My additional capital, I got it from the branch People's Co-op.
Actually, yung story po ni Ma'am Miriam, yung testimony ni Ma'am Miriam, palagi kong sinishare sa mga members ng cooperative kasi siya po yung isa sa, okay lang ba ma-share yung karanasan natin sa co-op, Ma'am Miriam?
Yes.
Oh. Sa mga kaibigan natin ng mga ka-peoples, para bang, for us, Jacob, why did you share and why did you allow na yung mga board of directors yung mag-share? Kasi for us mga ka-peoples na ma-inspire po tayo upon joining sa ating kooperatiba para makapagbigay po tayo ng encouragement kung ano ba talaga si Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. For many years, Ma'am Miriam, yung story po ninyo, dinadala ko sa iba't ibang branches ng co-op sa Tondela.
Which story? Maybe the one that I
Yung sa
borrowed
Cordoba.
That's not Cordoba. Kinalumsan, Gunob. When I
Hindi Cordoba yung lupa ninyo?
Going to Cordoba.
Going to Cordoba.
Gunob yun. Part
Gunob.
of Gunob. Oh, yes, yung when I started
Pwede
my
lang ba
boarding
ma-share
house.
ko sa kanila?
When I started my boarding house.
So, palagi kong inuulit ito na once Ma'am Miriam approach us in the cooperative, Ma'am, official ka na ba noon?
Yes.
Kasi ang tagal natin sa co-op. Sabi ni Ma'am Miriam na, Sir Jacob, I have my lot. Parang gusto ko nang mag-upgrade and I want to have a passive income. Sabi ni Ma'am Miriam na meron naman akong lupa na titled. Pwede ba na magpatayo ako ng boarding house? Grabe. Magkano yung niloan mo sa co-op, Ma'am Miriam?
Actually, there was already a structure. So, I just want to convert it into a boarding house. There was already a structure. So, I converted it into a boarding house.
Yung nag-ask po kayo ng additional, parang
Yes.
additional for
the
house repair,
yes.
renovation. Magkano yun?
350 lang yun.
Almost 400,000.
350.
No, almost 400,000 yun. Palagay na natin almost half
Yes.
million. So as of today, si Ma'am Miriam, nakaupo siya dito, pero meron po siyang income. Meron po siyang passive income, mga ka-peoples. So ilang room yun?
Before, when I started, it has 7 rooms.
7 rooms. So grabe no, kung meron kang 7 rooms, tapos 5,000 each yung renta, so you're earning 35,000 per month.
That is too big. 5,000, that is too big.
Oh,
Those are small rooms only.
O 3,000 na lang. Sige, babaan natin, 3,000.
2,000.
3,000 times 7.
2,000 tayo.
Palagay natin 2,000 times 7. So you're earning almost 15,000 per month. Congratulations, Ma'am Miriam.
2,000.
We're so
3,000 times 7?
3,000.
21.
O siya, di siya masugod sa 2,000, 3,000. So 21, you're earning 21,000 per month. Grabe si Ma'am Miriam, So that's a passive
Thank
income.
you.
And we're so thankful sa inyo, Ma'am Miriam, it's because you're been part of the People's Co-op since sa beginning ng Talambanban. So malaking tulong yung ninyo, yung di ba, palagi kayo nag-share. Ang dami yung nare-recruit doon sa Talamban. Sila si Man, di ba? Yung si Ma'am Bibi. Ang dami yung nare-recruit. Yan. So si Ma'am Miriam, kuan na ni dito kanang sa kuan pa kanang dugay na ba? Kanang sana ma'am antik na. Alright. Ma'am, just brief lang, bakit kayo napasabak sa macro officer as board of director?
Before I became a board of director,
Sino nag-anyaya sa inyo?
our chairperson of the board, so chairperson in Talamban was Ma'am Gloria. And then, She was planning to retire. Kaya nag-ano siya sa akin, as her zonal secretary, nag-invite si Ma'am Gloria sa akin na, Yam, ikaw nang susunod na wala akong ibang mapili kung na mag-handle sa zonal chairperson, kundi ikaw lang. So, I want you to follow my steps as my successor sa as zonal chairperson of Talamban Branch. But when she invited me, nung una hindi talaga ako nag-accept agad because I told her that is big responsibility. No, I might not able to carry the job. So, no, marami namang tutulong sa'yo. Parang ganun siya. And luckily, so I accepted the position last 2019.
Alright. So, congratulations, Ma'am Miriam.
Thank you.
Okay. Ma'am Miriam, I have a question for you. Question number one. Ma'am, what committees are you handling right now and what is your function and the scope of your responsibilities as of today?
My committee is Laws, Internal Affairs, and Grievance Management Committee. I am the chairperson of that portfolio.
Ma'am, can you share something kung ano yung ginagawa sa Laws, Internal Affairs, and Grievance Management Committee? Ano ba siya? Para bang ma-share natin,
yes.
maibahagi natin sa ating mga ka-people na nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Sa aking portfolio, as Internal Affairs, kailangan mong malaman ko yung mga activities sa ating kooperatiba. So, nakipag-coordinate ako sa HR and Education Committee. Not necessarily na kung mayroong activities nandun ako, at least alam ko nga yung particular activity as Internal Affairs, malaman ko yun para kung may magtatanong sa akin, meron akong masagot. And then sa laws, it is added to my portfolio. I also review the memorandum of agreement na napasok sa co-op and our stakeholders. And I also review the CBL or cooperative bylaws natin at yung employees handbook, pinabasa ko rin yun as refresher course kung merong mga activities or mga decisions na nagawa yung management, matingnan natin kung it follows the policy of the cooperative.
Yung mga guidelines.
Yes.
So overall, yung portfolio po ninyo to strengthen the operation of Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. So kayo yung monitor ng mga policies po ng cooperative natin. Gaya ng kung anong lahat ng mga activities, so dapat alam ninyo.
Yes, sir. As Internal Affairs.
So walang activity sa co-op na magaganap na hindi nyo alam.
Hindi naman. Nagaganap yun. Nagaganap, pero at least I know what activities.
So kailangan mapaabot po sa inyo yung mga activities ng
And one
co-op.
more thing, meron tayong grievance and grievance management. So, yung grievance, pag merong conflict between macro officers, so dumadaan yan sa portfolio ko.
So,
Mga
ito,
grievances.
ito, mas challenging ito. So, kanina, itong portfolio ni Ma'am Miriam, so siya po yung tagatutok ng mga policies ng co-op, ng activity ng kooperatiba since she is handling the laws, internal affairs. But the most challenging part dito is itong grievance.
Yes,
Diba?
sir.
So, talking about grievance, ano yung grievance? Mga reklamo. Diba? Mga hinanaing.
Yes.
Diba? So dito sa cooperative guys, hindi natin we cannot deny the fact na mayroong mga conflict sa mga opisyalis ng co-op. Di ba meron din yan, Ma'am Miriam?
Meron po.
So conflict ng mga staff, o yung mga staff na, yung mga sa Bisaya pa, mga buutan, yung mga magaling na staff, pinapatawag.
No. On the part of the staff, that is the responsibility of HR.
HR's
sir.
concern.
So, on my portfolio, it is more on the conflict or grievances between macro officers.
Yung sa mga opisyalis natin.
Yes, macro
So, Ma'am
officers.
Miriam, meron, ano yung halimbawang conflicts? So, hindi na natin i-mention. So, anong mostly na nakarating po sa inyo? Bakit yung mga officers natin meron po silang conflict?
Yes, one example is yung kumbaga away ng between macro officers. Oh, idadaan sa atin yan to resolve it. Amicable settlement. And sometimes, pag merong hearsay lang na matanggap ako, I won't solve it. Dapat merong letter. Usually, I act and my committee and I will act on a grievance letter na ano sa atin, masabi sa ating committee. That's the time na we'll act on it. My committee members and I will call the aggrieved person and we settle it amicably bago iparating sa board. Something like that.
So, if we'll try to imagine, so, yung problema, di ba, hindi pwedeng hearsay lang, di ba?
Yes.
And yung portfolio ni ma'am is, hindi sa mga staff is, yung ano po ninyo, responsibilidad or scope po niyo is, yung sa mga officers. Macro officers. Siguro yung mga officers nag-aaway, mayroon conflict or nag-aaway, siguro dahil sa savings nila, baka malaki na yung...
Hindi naman.
Baka nagpalakihan sila sa savings nila, Ma'am Miriam.
Hindi naman.
And guys, we just share it to you for a reason that bottom line is that we want dito sa cooperative that we can function properly. Kasi Ma'am Miriam, ang hirap kaya kung meron conflicts. 'Di ba yung eroplano hindi makaka-take off po yan kung ma-overload ng bagahe, 'di ba? Hindi tayo makakalipad. So sinisigurado natin dito sa People's Co-op na lahat ng mga members, officers, staff, lahat po sila ay parang one mind and one heart po tayo. So in order for that, na magiging harmonious po yung operation natin, yung relationship po natin, so dapat merong taga-settle, merong parang tagapagitna po kayo, Ma'am Miriam.
Yes.
So for Ma'am Miriam, yung mga para bang masasabi na natin na yung case or yung concern na na-handle po ninyo, nare-resolve naman.
Yes, sir. And with the help of God, with the help of my committees, di namin pabayaan yon. Kailangan ma-resolve yun talaga.
So, kailangan ma-resolve.
I'm happy na sa lahat ng mga grievances na dumating sa portfolio ko, cooperative naman yung aggrieved parties. So, nare-resolve naman talaga.
Ma'am, talking about sa member, meron ba na umaabot sa inyo na parang meron siyang hindi natin na reklamo, hindi natin sabihin reklamo, but yung sa kanya lang is, I have my concern, I have my suggestion, I have my recommendation, Ma'am Miriam, pwede po bang matulungan ninyo ako?
Yes, meron namang ganon, pero when that particular concern is nabato sa akin, sasabihin ko, doon mo yan isabihin sa respective na department. Something like that. Kasi may mga department naman tayo na may department head. So, yung concern niya about transport, sabihin ko naman, punta ka dun sa transport department manager para sa sa reklamo mo. Unless meron talaga siyang letter addressed to me through my portfolio, and that's the time nga I have to settle entertain and with my committee members, and I have to coordinate which department that grievance letter is concerned. Doon ako makipag-coordinate. Pero pag walang grievance letter, I have to ipasa ko siya sa yung concern na department kung saan siya nagreklamo. Kung may reklamo siya sa HR, huwag pa lang kay Sir Judy or something.
Dito sana sa para kang si Mr. Tolpo pala, Ma'am Miriam Salo. Dito sa studio namin, sa CIO at saka MED, meron sana akong ireklamo kasi yung mga staff ko dito, lalong parang tumataba sila. Pwede ba mareklamo, Ma'am Miriam, na yung mga staff mo palaging kumakain?
Sumulat ka sa akin.
Yung
hindi ako mag-entertain ng hearsay lang or yung...
Kinakabahan ako kasi yung mga staff ko, parang tumataba sila yung mga babae. Yung majority sa kanila.
That's what I observed na.
Lahat sila nag-aaral. Tapos yung kinakain pa is yung mangga na maasim at saka merong asin. Tumataba.
Hindi, aside from that, I noticed, meron siya, yan, ang sarap.
Mangga, with hipon.
Sila, nag-order online.
Order online.
Ikaw,
diba?
nakabaon sila, naka-order online.
Oo. My wife prepared talaga every morning kasi parang
good.
natruma na ako sa kain sa labas kasi mamaya parang buti na mag-ingat tayo sa COVID.
yes, correct.
It's because I experienced that talaga. Basta yung mga staff ko, Miriam, ireklamo ko yan kasi tumataba sila. Alright, napag-usapan po natin kanina yung mga skopo ni Ma'am Miriam Saulo dito sa ating People's Co-op. It's all about the MOA laws, policies, and events na lahat ng mga activities dapat malaman ni Ma'am Miriam. Yung challenge is one is that yung grievance committee, na dapat isettle yung mga concerns kasi alam naman natin dito sa co-op, bawal yung parang faction tayo, bawal yung mga away. Dapat one mind, one heart po tayo dito sa ating pong kooperatiba. And mga ka-people, sa Ma'am Miriam, marami po tayong katanungan sa inyo, but we'll just have a break and magbabalik ang Usapang Kooperatiba.
Paano ba magpamember sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative online? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now button. Follow the steps. Step 1. Watch our PMES video. Step 2. Click again the Be a Member Now button at maghanda ng selfie picture with white background, picture of any government ID, 3 pirma in a white bond paper, tapos fill out the membership form. You can do it using your cell phone. Click OK and read and understand button. You fill up the membership form, click the submit for review. You can now upload your pictures, your selfie picture, valid ID, at ang 3 pirma. You can click the edit your application kung merong mali, or you may now click the submit application button kung okay na. Congratulations! Your application has been sent. Expect feedback within 24 to 48 hours. Welcome to Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. Paano ba makita ang savings o account summary mo sa co-op through online? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. Pindutin mo ang register button sa itaas. You fill up the username, email address, name, mobile number, and the password. Don't forget to write down your username and password. Click the register button. You fill up the member's information. Una, your co-op membership ID number. Make sure na tama ang format. You can see your co-op ID number sa passbook, or you can contact your branch. Click the small box I agree to terms and services at pindutin mo ang submit for approval button. Your account is placed under pending status. You log in after 24 hours, or you can contact our hotline kung kinakailangan. Congratulations! You may now view your savings and account summary sa co-op. Just click the login button sa ating website. Paano ba magbayad o mag-deposit sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative using DragonPay? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now. Step 3, click Pay via DragonPay. You fill up the details in CPMPC DragonPay payment portal form. Click what are you paying for? Membership, loan, deposit, share capital, PPI, People's Jeep, real estate, or others. Lagyan mo ng amount, complete name, and email address. Click the checkout button. Select your source of fund, pwedeng online banking or e-wallet. Or you can choose over-the-counter or ATM. Click the box I agree to the terms and conditions and pindutin mo ang select button. Click send instructions via email or mobile button. Magpunta ka sa iyong email address. Pindutin mo ang link na ibinigay ni DragonPay at sundin mo ang payment instructions. Congratulations! You made the online transactions using DragonPay.
Cebu City Transport System is evolving faster today, evolving into something new. Modernized public transportation. Digital payment is gaining grounds, linking our daily lives with ease and convenience by Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. In this time, when the entire country is affected by the pandemic, we, from Cebu People's Co-op, facilitated a stable and efficient way to transport our fellow Cebuanos from their point of origin to their destination within the metropolitan of Cebu. We link our passengers with seamless payment, providing complete solution to passengers and our other merchants. We continue to develop value-added services as to loyalty schemes, fare payment system, pickup and drop-off areas. Our People's Jeep, an MC3 card is ready for the forefront of innovation, making it a part of every Cebuano's daily lifestyle and the most convenient ride of a lifetime. Cebu People's Jeep, preparing the Filipino future of mass transport innovation.
Do you want to play without losing? Do you want to save money while playing? Worry no more! For 25 pesos worth of entry, you can now play and save money at the same time. But there's more! Not only you can enjoy and save money, but you also get a chance to win 1 million pesos or a brand new car. The choice is in your hands. Only here in Play to Save. Halina't mag-usapang kooperatiba tayo kasama si Kuya Jay. Dito lang sa Mang People TV.
Alright, nababalik ang Usapang Kooperatiba with our special guest for today, Ma'am Miriam Saulo, our BOD sa ating People's Co-op Talamban Branch. Yan, kanina napag-usapan natin yung mga activities ng co-op na dapat mapaabot ng committee ni Ma'am Miriam, no? And dapat all the policies and laws sa ating kooperatiba na re-review din ni Ma'am Miriam Saulo para strengthen pa yung operation sa ating kooperatiba. And Ma'am Miriam, I have my second questions for you. Second question po, what kind of programs, policies implemented or activities do you implement in your committee? So ano po yung mga activities that you have implemented po sa ating Cebu People's Multipurpose Co-op?
Sir Jacob, I sponsored and passed a policy on implementing guidelines and procedures on travel and activities for CPMPC officers, management staff, and members. So when we say CPMPC officers, that includes chapter, zonal, and macro officers.
So ano po yung mga travel?
So yung yung objective niyan is to avoid conflict on the usage or utilization of the following, such as yung vehicle use, studio use natin, gadgets, furnitures and fixtures, and machineries. Usually, yung natatabaan talaga nito na policy is the travel on the vehicle use. So, meron tayong travel policy on the vehicle use with co-op-related activities. So, meron din tayong travel policy on personal use of our cooperative vehicle. And we also have travel policies for work-related activity for department heads without service vehicle, kung anong gagawin nila. So, meron din silang dapat gawin kung wala silang service vehicle, kung anong gagawin nila to use the vehicle. Our co-op vehicle.
O kaya pala, parang yung mga vehicles natin, since we have a lot of drivers here and vehicles, so kaya pala ma'am, parang ang daming naka-queue, no? So dapat kung ikaw ay mayroong activity, dapat magpabuka in advance.
Pabuka, sa HR talaga, idadaan mo yon.
So that initiative is coming from you na dapat may bookings talaga.
Yes, that is part of the policy on our travel.
Kaya yung mga CIO team namin, dapat hindi kami maging conflict sa mga board of directors.
Yes, yes.
Mm-mm. Ma'am, ano po yung mga future plans po ninyo sa inyong committee? Ano yung mga plano?
Sa plano,
Since
well,
ngayon, yung mga meetings natin were all are canceled. So, ano yung ginagawa ninyo ngayon? Meron pa ba kayong mga meetings na nagagawa?
yes, we still have meetings. So, I connect with, since yung committee ko at yung committee ng GAD, committee ng education at welfare, parehas kami lang.
Mm.
So, when we have the education, usually the education committee has meeting, so makipag-connect na rin ako sa kanila on my concerns sa aking committee.
Mm.
Kasi kami lang naman talaga, kami lang din ang members.
Mm.
And then, meron din ako mga plano na maybe add another policy. Although, that is still, nag-ano pa rin ako niyan, yung, nagplano pa rin kung anong
Kagaya ng
magandang
ano, ma'am?
policy. Halimbawa, I'm planning na, for example, we have a case here sa ating co-op na binigyan siya ng so naka-expense ang co-op sa kanya ng mga seminars.
Mm.
In fact, kasama ko yun siya. And then, after a week, nag-resign siya. So, yung gastos ng co-op ng seminar na we were in Manila, so sayang yung na-attend na seminar, hindi nagamit at the expense of co-op, and then nag-resign lang din siya. So, I was thinking, I will maybe later, I will make a policy for staffs or
Officers.
newly hired staffs. No, especially staffs, newly hired staffs na yung kailangan pag nakagasto yung co-op sa kanya ng mga seminars, kailangan hindi kagad sila mag-resign, or they have a time frame to serve the cooperative,
Or they will pay the expenses.
or they have time frame to pay the cooperative, or kung mag-resign sila kaagad, magbayad siguro sila sa cooperative sa na-expense ng cooperative sa kanya.
Oh,
In just a span of, yung konti lang na span na na
tama yan.
time.
Parang to be fair din sa cooperative natin.
Yes.
Since yung ibang mga
Yung
staff,
bang aalis ka rin kaagad, tapos yung cooperative, pinadala ka ng mga seminars ng ganito.
ilang libo, ilang expenses.
Yes.
Tapos mag-resign lang.
Yes.
Dapat, kung siya ay mag-resign sa plaan, bayad siya. Tama po ba, Ma'am Miriam?
Yes, Sir Jacob.
That's a
Maybe
good initiative, Ma'am Miriam.
maganda yun kasi para makabawi naman yung cooperative.
Oo,
Diba?
yan.
Sayang yung nagastos, tapos you will just leave the cooperative.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ka makinabangan.
Yan. So, Ma'am Miriam, dito po sa co-op, for many years, you've been in the cooperative for 18 years na. And ano po yung mga programa na para bang gusto mo talaga? Ano yung mga products and services that you like it? Very, parang yung pinaka, para bang mayroong malaking gravity ba na this product is very useful talaga, and parang for me, this is a vital for me because laking tulong sa akin. Aside from that capital na sinasabi mo kanina.
Yung natin, yung damayan.
Damayan. Yan.
Yes, because yung damayan, pag worry-free kasi yung naiwanan na member, di ba? So, worry-free ka. Yung member, bakit?
Parang seryoso talaga si Ma'am Miriam today.
Yung
Sige.
damayan, kasi
Damayan,
yung
yan.
naiwan, yes.
Mm.
Yung naiwan na member, wala na siyang worry-free na siya.
Wala na siyang obligation.
Kasi meron ng co-op na
Tumutulong.
mag-attend sa kanyang mortuary services.
Mm.
No? Sa member na nawala.
So talking about damayan, guys, parang lipat lang tayo. I asked Ma'am Miriam Salo na kung ano bang pinakamagandang programa ng cooperative sa kanya dito po sa ating People's Co-op. And the opinion of Ma'am Miriam Salo is yung damayan program po natin na for only 900 pesos per year, kung ang member natin is mamatay, hindi naman natin alam And we cannot predict the future, Ma'am Miriam, no? So, wala nang problema yung mga members po natin is because yung member natin, meron na po silang St. Peter plan worth 100,000 mortuary services at saka 20,000 na cash assistance. Kung ang member naman ay aksidente, madodoble po yung cash assistance. Kaya sa mga hindi pa member dyan, magpa-member na po kayo. Tama ba, Ma'am Miriam?
Tama.
Yan. Ma'am, talking about sa mga problema sa co-op, yung mga challenges natin sa co-op kung conflicts, you know what? Ang hirap i-handle ng mga conflicts. Di ba?
That's true.
Kasi ibang party meron siyang opinion, ibang party meron naman siyang reklamo. So, ang hirap kaya na dadalhin sila in the middle. It's because they have different opinions, they have different attitudes, they have different concerns. Paano po ninyo ginagawa yan, Ma'am Miriam? Na both party para mag-abot tayo sa gitna. Para paglabas natin dito sa room, wala na tayong heartaches.
Ano naman, Sir Jacob, hindi naman ako nag-iisa.
Mm.
Meron akong committee members.
Yan, ilan kayo? Ilan yung mga committees ninyo?
4.
4. So, pang-5 kayo.
Yes, I'm the 5th. So, sa aming 5, mayroong tumutulong. Nagtutulungan kami to solve the conflict.
Ganun ba?
Hindi lang ako. Mahirap yun.
So, everything was resolved sa mga...
Yes.
Okay. Hindi naman sila nagtatampo, Ma'am Miriam. Baka,
Hindi naman.
baka masabi nila, Ma'am Miriam, parang kampi ka doon sa, sa kabila.
No. We
Dapat,
have to be at the middle.
Middle.
Neutral.
Neutral talaga
yes.
tayo. Yan, ang galing nilang Ma'am Miriam, no? So, committee ni Ma'am Miriam, tagapamahala ng mga laws po natin, activities po natin, yung mga MOA, mga palisiya, mga events sa co-op.
And handling grievances.
And the same thing, yung the most challenging is the grievances kasi reklamo yan, di ba? Conflict yan. Ma'am Miriam, marami pa kami mga katanungan po sa inyo, but we will have a break. Magbabalik ang Usapang Kooperatiba.
Paano ba magpamember sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative online? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now button. Follow the steps. Step 1. Watch our PMES video. Step 2. Click again the Be a Member Now button at maghanda ng selfie picture with white background, picture of any government ID, 3 pirma in a white bond paper, tapos fill out the membership form. You can do it using your cell phone. Click OK and read and understand button. You fill up the membership form. Click the submit for review. You can now upload your pictures, your selfie picture, valid ID, at ang 3 pirma. You can click the edit your application kung merong mali, or you may now click the submit application button kung okay na. Congratulations! Your application has been sent. Expect feedback within 24 to 48 hours. Welcome to Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. Paano ba makita ang savings o account summary mo sa co-op through online? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. Pindutin mo ang register button sa itaas. You fill up the username, email address, name, mobile number, and the password. Don't forget to write down your username and password. Click the register button. You fill up the member's information. Una, your co-op membership ID number. Make sure na tama ang format. You can see your co-op ID number sa passbook, or you can contact your branch. Click the small box I agree to terms and services at pindutin mo ang submit for approval button. Your account is placed under pending status. You log in after 24 hours, or you can contact our hotline kung kinakailangan. Congratulations! You may now view your savings and account summary sa co-op. Just click the login button sa ating website. Paano ba magbayad o mag-deposit sa Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative using DragonPay? Una, you visit our website www.mycoop.ph. I-click mo ang Be a Member Now. Step 3, click Pay via DragonPay. You fill up the details in CPMPC DragonPay payment portal form. Click what are you paying for? Membership, loan, deposit, share capital, PPI, People's Jeep, real estate, or others. Lagyan mo ng amount, complete name, and email address. Click the checkout button, select your source of fund, pwedeng online banking or e-wallet. Or you can choose over-the-counter or ATM. Click the box I agree to the terms and conditions and pindutin mo ang select button. Click send instructions via email or mobile button. Magpunta ka sa iyong email address. Pindutin mo ang link na ibinigay ni DragonPay at sundin mo ang payment instructions. Congratulations! You made the online transactions using DragonPay.
Cebu City Transport System is evolving faster today, evolving into something new. Modernized public transportation. Digital payment is gaining grounds, linking our daily lives with ease and convenience by Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. In this time, when the entire country is affected by the pandemic, we, from Cebu People's Co-op, facilitated a stable and efficient way to transport our fellow Cebuanos from their point of origin to their destination within the metropolitan of Cebu. We link our passengers with seamless payment, providing complete solution to passengers and our other merchants. We continue to develop value-added services as to loyalty schemes, fare payment system, pickup and drop-off areas. Our People's Jeep, an MC3 car is ready for the forefront of innovation, making it a part of every Cebuano's daily lifestyle and the most convenient ride of a lifetime. Cebu People's Jeep, preparing the Filipino future of mass transport innovation.
Do you want to play without losing? Do you want to save money while playing? Worry no more! For 25 pesos worth of entry, you can now play and save money at the same time. But there's more! Not only you can enjoy and save money, but you also get a chance to win 1 million pesos or a brand new car. The choice is in your hands. Only here in Play to Save. Halina't mag-usapang kooperatiba tayo kasama si Kuya Jay. Dito lang sa Mang People TV.
Alright, nagbabalik ang Usapang Kooperatiba with our still beautiful guest for today, Ma'am Miriam Saulo or BOD sa Talamban. Ganyan na guys, napag-usapan natin yung mga portfolio and activities nila, Ma'am Miriam, yung even mga future plans nila ni Ma'am Miriam kanina. And Ma'am Miriam, I have my last question for you. Yan, pang last na po ito, Ma'am Miriam. What's the most rewarding and challenging aspect being assigned to your committee? Ano yung mga masasabi mo na rewarding talaga and challenging?
Sir Jacob, not only to being assigned to my committee, but being as a board of director.
Yan.
No, so what is rewarding is when you can help. Ma-facilitate mo yung merong na-experience ko yan, merong lalapit sa akin and then, ma'am, kung pwede ganun. So, as a board of director, I can facilitate sa kung ano yung gusto niya.
Yung mga needs nila, meron silang mga concern.
Yes, kung they cannot move on their own, na parang nahihiya sa doon pumunta sa isang department. So, dito sa akin maghingi ng tulong. So, it is very rewarding kung you can help your fellow member and then yung fellow member ay natugon yung kanyang concern. So,
tuwang-tuwa yung member, Ma'am
yes,
Miriam.
tuwang-tuwa. And then, I really experienced that one time. May pumasok sa akin sa Talamban branch.
Yan.
And then, sabi niya, Ma'am Miriam, salamat ha. Ganun. Oy, sir, kinsa gali ito ka, sir? Ang anak ko. sino ka ba? Sabi niya, si ano, oh, sige, ikaw pala si ano, gano'n. Hindi na natin sabihin kung ano yung ano niya. Pero at
Pangalan.
least, natulungan ko siya, facilitate kung ano yung concern niya na natugunan naman yung concern niya
Mm.
sa ating cooperative, sa respective department na
Mm.
kung saan siya, mayroon siyang concern o reklamo.
Mm.
So, nagpasalamat siya sa akin.
Yan. So, Ma'am Miriam, sabi mo kanina, for you, yung pinakamagandang product sa cooperative, for your personal opinion, yung Damayan. Ma'am, talking about Damayan, in partnership with St. Peter, so sa lahat ng mga members po natin, for only 900 pesos per year, you will have your St. Peter plan. Yan. Yung mga participants ko sa seminar or orientation, Ma'am Miriam, Jacob, totoo ba yan na for 900 pesos, meron na kaming St. Peter? Yes, totoo po ito. Bakit? Gusto niyo mag-try? So, Ma'am Miriam, bakit nyo nasabi yan na Damayan, for your own opinion, yung isa sa mga pinaka-importante? So, meron ba kayong experience na natulungan?
Yes, Sir Jacob. In fact, I called you up at that time.
Parang 2 years ago yun.
No, it was...
Last year ba yun?
Last year.
Yan.
A member of the Lamban branch namatay, and then a zonal officer of Pagsabungan chapter called me up kung anong gagawin nila kasi hindi nila makontak yung office. Siyempre, kasi Sunday yon.
Mm-mm.
So, I called
Yes,
you
parang
up.
Sunday yun.
Then, nagtanong ako sa number ni... I-check ko yung number ni Ma'am Gina, di ba?
Mm.
Is this the number of Ma'am Gina? So, na-pressure din ako noon kasi sabi ng officer ng Pagsabungan, Ma'am, 9 o'clock pa ito namatay, ganun, nandito sa bahay. Ano bang gagawin ng pamilya, ganun.
Mm.
And then, I cannot contact Gina also, Jonah.
Mm.
Kasi si Jonah umuwi
Umuwi sa
sa kanila, probinsya.
Mm.
So, I was so thankful na nakontak kita.
Mm.
And then, nang nabigyan mo ako ng number ni Ma'am Gina.
Yes, I remember one time nasa simbahan ako noon. Parang nasa
I think
simbahan.
so, yun. Nasa simbahan ka, and then, mabuti na lang, you answered my call.
Oo.
Yun, nakausap ko talaga si Ma'am Gina, and then sabi ko, Ma'am Jean, hindi pa kasi to ma-verify, kasi today is Sunday, hindi pa ma-verify kung nagbayad ba to sa Damayan.
Mm.
Diba? That is our policy. Kailangan may Damayan ka para maka-avail ng mortuary service.
Mm.
And then, in return, Ma'am Gina called Sir Yoyo.
Mm.
And very thankful din ako kay Sir Yoyo. Sabi ni Sir Yoyo, oh, anong sabi ni Ma'am Miriam sa'yo? Di Ma'am Miriam, tumawag ba si Ma'am Miriam sa'yo? Ganon. Yes, sir, tumawag si Miriam sa akin, ganon. So, okay. Ano yung sinabi ni Ma'am Miriam? Ano mo na lang yun. So, napasalitate yun na hindi mo na tinignan. Kasi walang tao sa office eh.
Mm.
So, it was the member was facilitated properly by Ma'am Gina.
Mm.
So, without hindi mo na tinignan kung nakabayad man ng Damayan kasi Sunday yun. So, yun, napadala siya sa St. Peter.
St. Peter. So, yun talaga, mga ka-peoples, na dapat talaga na from womb to tomb, dapat pangalagaan natin yung mga members po natin. Kasi alam naman natin, Ma'am Miriam, no? Lalo na sa panahon ngayon.
Yes.
Di ba? So, pandemic, ang daming mga taong namamatay. And video na to, marami din tayong mga members na nabiktima ng COVID-19. No, as I've heard, meron. Yan. But what is important, kung ikaw ay member ng cooperative, makakasiguro ka na yung may iwan natin dito sa lupa, wala na po silang obligations. Di ba, Ma'am Miriam? Kasi ang hirap, yung tao mamatay din, mag-iwan ka ng utang sa mga loved ones mo. Di ba, ang hirap? Eh, naiwan, wala pa mga trabaho, Ma'am Miriam.
Yes, sir. During our zonal meeting, lagi ko talagang sinasabi yan na, yung Damayan nyo ha, i-update nyo yung Damayan nyo, gano'n.
No, so
Policy
dapat talaga.
Policy yan, pag walang Damayan, walang mortuary service. Yung Damayan nyo and your respective chapter members and officers.
Mm. So, dapat
Remind
talaga.
sa kanila.
And that's the reason na we really encourage dito, inuulit namin talaga dito sa Ma'am People TV natin, Ma'am Miriam, na even in our live streaming, na dapat yung 1,150 na yearly. Per year natin, babayaran natin in order for us to be a member in good standing of the cooperative. So, paalaala mga ka-people. So, sa lahat ng mga members po natin, kung ikaw ay nagpa-member last year, yan, so, magbayad po tayo ng ating annual contribution. But kung ikaw ay nagpa-member po today, wala ka pong babayaran. Next year ka pa po magbabayad ng ating annual dues or yearly contribution na 1,150. Breakdown po niyan, Ma'am Miriam, is 900 pesos for the Damayan, St. Peter, 100,000 mortuary services with 20,000 cash, 150 pesos na MC3 card renewal, 100 pesos ng annual
Annual
dues. Yan. And Ma'am Mariam, pahabol ng mga katanungan, why is it important to you to become a member of People's Co-op? Bakit ba importante? Bakit ba mahalaga na ang isang tao ay maging member ng kooperatiba natin?
First and foremost, ngayon, yung People's Co-op ay marami ng services.
Yan.
Nung una, credit lang talaga yung kinikater natin, di
Loan
ba?
lang.
Yes. Ngayon, the basic services ay nakikater o nasa-serve na ng People's Co-op sa mga members at future members. Una, meron tayong credit services para capital niyo sa kung ano yung gusto nyong itatayo na negosyo. Pangalawa, we have education. So, meron tayong education. Makapagpaaral ka ng anak mo. Meron tayong program, di ba? Tapos, housing. Meron tayong housing. Then, meron tayong yung damayan para sa mortuary service. And then, we have the transport. Kung gusto nyo mag-invest sa transport, merong transport services. So, basically, lahat ng basic needs and services ay nakakater na or inaakupa na ng co-op para ma-serve sa ating members and future members.
Para bang kung ikaw ay kung ikaw ay single ngayon, magplano ka mag-asawa, 'di ba mag-savings ka?
Savings.
Oh,
we
nandito
have
sa
saved.
co-op. Yan, kung ikaw ay married na, gusto mong magpakasal, 'di ba? Yung savings mo magagamit din. So, si co-op din ay nakakatulong.
Yes.
Then, kapag ikaw ay buntis na, ikaw ay nanganganak, na hospital ka, 'di ba? Meron tayong hospitalization program. Yan. Then tapos, yung bata mo, pinapaaral natin, 'di ba? Yun talaga yung goal ng nanay at tatay, 'di ba, Ma'am Mariam, na dapat yung mga anak natin is makapagtapos sa pag-aaral. And congratulations to you, Ma'am Mariam, kasi lahat ng mga anak mo is tapos na po sila. So, dito sa co-op, gusto natin pagpaaralin yung mga anak natin. Meron tayong college education, Savings Plus program. Na-address na din. Yan. Tapos, Ma'am Mariam, pag yung tao, member or beneficiary, ma-hospital, meron tayong, again, hospitalization. But, kung talagang yung member mamamatay, yung sinasabi mo, yung parang favorite mo na programa sa co-op, na gustuhan mo, is yung Damayan program, so ma-address din ni People's Co-op. Kaya yung programa ni People's Co-op from womb to tomb. So, Ma'am Mariam, sige Ma'am Mariam, can you invite them, yung mga nakikinig sa atin na hindi pa member ng cooperative, please invite them to become a member of Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative.
Okay, sa hindi pa member ng Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative, I invite you to become a member now. Hindi talaga kayo magsisisi. And then, all the basic services na kailangan ng tao ay nakikater ng Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative. At saka, kung ikaw ay isang mixed member, I assure you, worry-free ka talaga sa mga services na binabahagi ng Cebu People's Multipurpose Cooperative.
Yan. And sa mga ka-peoples po natin, we just launched our P2S program or the Play to Save, that for only 25 pesos, mamili ka ng number from 1 up to 49, 6 numbers, Ma'am Mariam, for only 25 pesos. Kung ang number po ninyo ay lumabas, okay, you can be a winner for a 1 million pesos or a brand new car, Ma'am Mariam. Pag hindi naman lumabas yung number na pinili nyo, yung 22 pesos 50 centavos, mapupunta po yan sa deposit for future subscriptions or sa inyong share capital. Kaya sa mga ka-peoples natin, mag-download na kayo ng Good Credit apps para doon kayo mag-transact, mag-load kayo ng voucher, magpunta po kayo sa branch at doon kayo mag-transact, mamili ng numero sa inyong cellphone. And Ma'am Mariam, sa araw na ito, meron ba kayong gustong pasalamatan, Ma'am?
Okay, first of all, thank you sa opportunity na binigay nyo sa akin. Not only me, but all the board of directors na makapagpahayag sa aming sariling portfolio, sa aming sariling sentimento sa kooperatiba. And thank you very much, Sir Jacob, sa department niyo, very accommodating. Thank you sa management, ni Sir Yoyong yan, nagsusupport yan sa amin, sa mga ginagawa namin. Thank you very much.
Yan, Ma'am Mariam, maraming salamat
Thank
sa
you
pagpunta
rin.
ninyo
Thank you.
dito sa ating Ma'am People TV. Sana po, Ma'am Mariam, makapunta po kayo ulit dito para ma-interview we can interview you dito po sa ating Ma'am People TV. Still, maganda ka ngayon, lalo kang gumaganda. Nigwapa kag samot nga nahuman na nga to ang topic.
Ganyan dili.
Yan, sa mga peoples po natin, we have our social media accounts, we have our YouTube, the Mang People TV, and Facebook page. Please mag-subscribe, mag-like po tayo, and i-share po natin ang ating mga social media page. Sa pagtatapos ng ating programa, naway marami kayong naunawaan at nadagdagan ang inyong kaalaman kung paano napalago ang ating kooperatiba. Ang pakalahat ng tagumpay ng kooperatiba ay dahil sa maayos na ginagampanan ng committee ang kanilang responsibilidad. Bawat membro ay may malaking tungkulin rin sa pagpatuloy na pag-angat ng mga programa at serbisyong handog ng ating kooperatiba. Pinapanatili rin natin na ang bawat pamilyang membro dito sa People's Co-op ay sigurado. Thank you so much for watching and see you to our next episode, mga ka-people, dito lamang sa Usapang Kooperatiba. To God be all the glory.